Welcome to Asgardians TechX, the online channel for your daily science and technological news, trending topic and update about the future of humanity, space, agriculture and science at large. Please before watching don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my channel on how to improve it, and on topics which you want to hear more about. The Robotics and Perception Group in the University of Zurich present one of the world's largest indoor drone testing arenas. Video source: University of Zurich. These are technological advancements that will more likely be used in future drone warfare and international conflict. Countries who are more advanced in drone technology such as China, USA, Germany, etc. are well equipped for these kinds of technological advancements and military power. Drones are now also used in a range of civilian roles, including the following: search and rescue, surveillance, traffic monitoring, weather monitoring, firefighting, personal use, drone-based photography, videography, agriculture, delivery services. How do drones work? Drones have two basic functions: flight mode and navigation. To fly, drones must have a power source, such as battery or fuel. They also have rotors, propellers and a frame. The frame of a drone is typically made of a lightweight, composite material to reduce weight and increase maneuverability. Drones require a controller, which lets the operator use remote controls to launch, navigate and land the aircraft. Controllers communicate with the drone using radio waves, such as Wi-Fi. What are common drone features and components? Drones have a large number of components, including electronic speed controllers, which control a motor's speed and direction, flight controller, GPS module, battery, antenna, receiver, cameras, sensors, including ultrasonic sensors and collision avoidance sensors, accelerometer, which measures speed, and altimeter, which measures altitude. Drone features vary based on the use it is put to. Examples of features include various types of cameras with high performance, zoom and gimbal, steadicam and tilt capabilities. Artificial intelligence (AI) that enables the drone to follow objects. Augmented reality features that superimpose virtual objects on the drone's camera feed. Media storage format. Maximum flight time, which determines how long the drone can remain in the air. Maximum speeds, including ascent and descent. Hover accuracy. Obstacle sensory range. Altitude hold, which keeps the drone at a fixed altitude. Live video feed, and flight logs.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.